Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna be annoying grandma again. But before we start, I just wanna say that yesterday was my birthday, so that's why I didn't make a video. And plus, uh, I tried to make a video, but I was just too busy. That was my birthday. Wait a second, secret hole. Wait, try to get this out. I can't grab it. No, wait. Got it out. I told you guys that there's something gonna be here one day. I told you guys. Wait a second. So I'm gonna be tearing this one by one until I get this whole wall, and then I can walk through it. And it'll be another secret. That would be amazing. Okay, so yeah, I told you said we're gonna be annoying grandma. And if you like today's video, like and subscribe since it's my birthday yesterday. And if you guys are wondering, I turned 11. I'm turning old. Yeah. So that's why I couldn't make a video yesterday because I was too busy. Whoa. Yeah, floating. I'm walking on something. Wait, I was walking on something. I thought I was floating. But then I went like this, and then I realized, wait, I was floating because I moved a bit. If you guys know this, because I went like this and I moved, so I was actually floating on something. Sorry, Granny. Since it's my birthday, you forgot to give me a present. Yeah, old. Oh my god, looks like I have to push this onto your head because you forgot to give me a present. Granny didn't say happy birthday to me because you're annoying. You know what? Take this. Headshot. Oh, I messed up. Oh. She's indestructible again. She's in indestructible mode. That's what I would like to call it. Whoppa. Okay, I think I could do that. Shoot. Yeah. Headshot to the pep shot. The Billie Jean is not my lover. If Michael Jackson, like and subscribe. Man, I'm turning around. And how about a cadabra? Oh, whoopa. Oh, you like this? You like this? Well, too bad, so sad I break it. Billie Jean is not my lover. Okay, quick hiding spot. Yeah, come here. Oh, Granny. Take this ugly picture. Looks ugly, like you. Oh, table. Why does Grandma always have the same setup? Well, anyway. Oh, you come in here, you old lady. I didn't think I need to stop. Whoa! You broke the game. Whee! Oh, sweetie. Oh, no drinky. Why are you twitching? Oh, you want to fight now? Ching chong, ching chong. I'm sorry. Cat glass on glass. Come on. Granny, you ruined it. You scared me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Captain America. Captain America. You can't get me cause I'm a cat. Meow, 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 meow. You can't get me cause I'm a cat. Meow, 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 meow. Whee! Well, I accidentally broke it. You know what? I'm about to turn into turbo mode. Turbo! Oh, no. Break! Okay, I need to get Granny attention. Oh, my poop broke that. You're disgusting. This plate, I want. Oh yeah. Oh, wait. This is up next. Yeah. Didn't even touch her. Come here, old grandma. And you're getting too old. You think you're getting something from me. You know what? Eat. Yeah, you know what? You're getting fun from me. Oh, she's indestructible. Yeah, she's indestructible. Come on, let me grab it. Don't be indestructible. I like it when you're not indestructible, please. Oh, don't be indestructible. Why did you turn indestructible? No indestructibility. Oh, shoot. Take this. I'm scared of grandma. Grandma's scary. Stop being scary, old lady. No. No. Wait. No. But still. Maybe some music will cheer you up, right? Wrong thing. How do you turn this thing loud? I think I'm turning it the wrong way. I like this song. What's this one? Hey, that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this song for sure. Oh yeah. Hee. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl. That's it. I am the one. But the kid is not my son. I'm ready. Ah! Do you guys know this meme like back then where you grab the knife and you were like, what? I'm gonna try it, okay? Oh my god, this is very easy. Well, see, this is why you don't do that, kids. And don't attempt this at home. Don't be stupid, like me. Let's try it. Granny, try this fork. Go. Oh, Granny does not care. Well, if Mrs. Grooney does not care, then why should I? Oh, heck! Hooky wookie, no. Me? You're talking to Mr. Moore like that? Sorry, old unk. What the proper thing to call somebody old nowadays is unk. Whoopa. Ooh, spider kitty. Ooh. You'll drink this, Granny. Maybe I could exercise a bit. Oh, now you're getting farm from me. Cause you don't have a farm. Ah, ah. What do you call what do you call somebody with a body, with no body, and without a nose? Nobody knows. Hui. Ah, ah, ah. Wait, I have a joke. What do you call somebody without a body or a nose? Nobody knows. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, I'm getting corny at this point. Okay, now what? Did I forget something? I feel like something. How did I forget? I always forget about these plants right here. And this one here. Yeah. Granny, do you love this computer? Well, I don't. Oh, so you want me to destroy the computer? I destroyed it. Wait. I'm not close. The mouse actually still works. Wait, the mouse actually still works. I can still click. Oh my god, wait. That's so amazing. You sleeping? Oh, she's taking a good. Weren't you supposed to sleep with your eyes closed? Yeah, that's how you sleep, not with your eyes open. Well, if you're scared, then you should sleep at least with one eye open. Oh. Sparky! I know I said it like that, but still, Sparky! What's up, my brother? Woo! Sparky, you are very annoying. See? Sparky, look what I did to the house. Whoppa, why are you fast? Why are you so fast? Jump! I bet you can climb. Chunk. Where'd he go? Yo, Sparky. Come on. He got stuck again? Use your... Oh, wait, he's a robot. I was about to say, use your brain. Then I remembered he's a robot. It doesn't have a brain. Oh. How awful of you to come here. Oh, you say you're mad? No, turn it back on. I really like the music. Ooh. Oh. Granny. What? Let's make it louder. Okay. Awkward. Meow meow kitty meow meow. Oh. Bruh. Welcome. Why did it say that? No way. Did I just accidentally do something? Well, the remote flew, obviously. Okay, so unfortunately, this will be the end of the video. Have a nice day and comment down below happy birthday. Wait, I think. Oh, I'm gonna try to turn on the comments, but if I somehow manage to turn it on, please type happy birthday down in the comments down below and like and subscribe if you liked today's video. Have a great rest of your day.